Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a Tuesday morning haul here for you, and this is mainly for my birthday. My husband is gonna have a really busy schedule this week. He decided to take me to Tuesday morning and get it over with. So here we go. Picked up a bunch of Jen Hatfield. Should say I got 3 packs. So the first one is 46 pieces, and this goes with the Along the Way wood veneers. So we got that. I think it's got like houses and some teapots, some large and small houses. We even got some cars and some different sized teacups and teapots and cars. So that's cute. It's like a travel wood veneer set. And I got this one, 46 pieces also, and this is Simple Life collection. These have the ampersands, birdhouses, you got the watering cans, and some flowers. Yeah, cute collection. I thought I'd get that also. I have hauled a few also previously, so we can share with all that. And then we have the, oh, is this Heart of Home? Oh, this is a different Heart of Home. No, the others are different. Okay, this is Heart of Home. The paper pad is what I had. So this has birds, leaves, and butterflies. Very cute. And we have different kinds of leaves in there, so that's cool. I like that. Wood veneers. Now I got to start crafting with them. That's the thing. A butterfly punch, and it's the outline butterfly punch. Very cute. It was $4.99, and it's a good size punch too. So I like that. Maybe one day I can invest in a cutting machine, because these suckers are heavy. I mean, heavy. This is one punch. This originally cost $26.99. Woo! I got a deal on that one. I found a Maggie Holmes, and it was buried under a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, and this looks like crap. Look at the hanger thing is already ripped off. Somebody ripped them off. This is $2.99, and we get 18 mini tassels. So they're the cute Maggie Holmes colors. So pink, peach, and mint. One Maggie Holmes. There you go. Cute little push pins. And of course I'm not going to use them as push pins, but here we go. It's $2.99. And I'm trying to show you the flower because it reminds me of the plumeria. But this one's pink. I'm trying. It won't come out. Push pins. Oh yes. You can wear these pins. They're adorable. Look at those. I love it. Okay, I was thinking these were like pins for a push pin board. There's 4 pieces, $2.99. Same designer, and you have these little tropical leaves on there, and you have, what is this? Leilani push pins. But those are cute. I love them. Another stationery item I found, $4.99 for the jumbo binder clips in the copper. You guys, can you see that? I desperately need these in my kitchen, so I got a black and white one. Great for the holidays. It'll go through Halloween and Thanksgiving and also into Christmas. But I like them. They're the neoprene or whatever you call them. Anyway, they're heat resistant, and there's 2, and I got them for $5.99. Woo, like that. Just one at Walmart. This size, one mitt, is like $5. So already I got a deal for that. I also found some Maggie Holmes in the sewing section in the craft aisle. There's 5.36 yards complete total for all of these, and you get, I don't know if you guys can see, this mint velvet ribbon, and you have a pink with gold glitter ribbon. You have a black and white twine with some gold string in it, and then you get the pink pom-poms, and they're all on wooden spools. I said that I've never seen before, and this is from the Carousel. I believe this is from the Carousel collection. Either way, yeah, because of the tents, I don't know. I got 2 for $3.99, so that's 3 items, Maggie Holmes. I also picked up a few stamps. Let me see if I can get them all together. I think this is the only Halloween. So I got this one, and this is the Midnight Haunting stamps. They're $2.99. It says, "Hello, beautiful." It has the pumpkin. It has some leaves. I love this little pumpkin with the patch. This one with the florals in it, and the owl, well, leaves. So that's cute. $2.99. Very nice. They also had a bunch of Willow Lane stamp sets. So I believe I have these already, but guys, birthday giveaway. So $2.99. You got the bunny, you got the unicorn. Very cute, and it says celebrate. And this is the Willow Lane collection. So there's another one, Maggie Holmes. This is another 7-piece set, and this is also Willow Lane. And it says, I think this says "You Are Loved." And this swan and this beautiful rose. I wonder what that looks like stamped. So I got that. All the stamp sets are $2.99, unless it has like a die in it included. It's more, like $3.99. So this has 10 stamps, and it has bright days ahead, and it has a house. This is also Willow Lane. It has a wreath, and it has love, my darling, oh so happy, teacup, and then the birdhouses. So this also is a lot like the Jen Hatfield set. They have a house, they have teacups. Very cute. Another Willow Lane. So I also picked up Wild Heart stamps. This is the only one I saw. This is $2.99, and it has the shades, and then it has memories and getaway, sun plus fun, good times. I thought that was cute. This is another, to me this looks like a Maggie Holmes, but who knows, I don't know. Found some Jen Hatfield stamps also, and this one is the warm and cozy. So it says, welcome, warm and cozy, thankful, great for Thanksgiving. Of course, because this is thankful. You are my home, hi, and congrats. I like that, Jen Hatfield. And here's another set, and this has 7 pieces also. Or no, the other one has 9. The other one has 9. This one's 7, and Simple Life. So we got some leaves here, some little wreaths, an arrow plant, a birdhouse, a bike. Very cute. Jen Hatfield. And then I found these. $1.99 for these alphas. These are Maggie Holmes. And I think, what color? Gather. Yep. This is for Gather. Alright. One 12x6 sticker set. And this is the Beautiful Night. Yep, Beautiful Night. Very cute. And it's got foiling on some of them. Love that. I finally got my hands on some sequins. Ugh, but they were hard as heck to find. They were buried, and these were the last 2 colors. $1.99 for each. And there's how many ounces? Is this Princess Craft Sequence, and it doesn't say how many ounces. But $1.99, and that's got pink. And I thought there were other, I guess not. So it's just the cup sequence, pink. And then this one is the sequence, Sea Craft Sequence, $1.99 also. And there's some yellows and greens and some seashells. Nice. I like it. Let me see if I can open this without making a mess. Is it twist? Yep. It's a twist. Look at these little, like, almost looks like Formica. And then you got the other colors. Look at that. Very cute. I like that. You know, because I'm a mermaid. In case you didn't know, I'm a mermaid. Alright, that's not even the end, guys. This Tuesday morning is the bomb. Thebomb.com, okay? Let me just say that. But when you got people in there and they all want to be in the craft section, oh my god, it was a nightmare. Anyway, I had to shove my way into the craft section. So I found the Heart of Home 12 by 12, Jen Hatfield. Look at that. And these are her papers, and I think they're just single sheets. Yep, single-sided. There we go. Very muted colors, but very pretty. I love it. Yeah, so I didn't even get to really flip through them because 3 ladies decided to talk right in front of the paper stack. And I'm like, okay. Can we move? It's my birthday. So it's 2 of each design. Yep. Jen Hatfield. That is the first paper pad that I got. Let me put this here. I found along the way, guys, the paper pads, the 12 by 12s are $6.99. $6.99. If you go to Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, I believe the $6.99 price is the 6 by 6 or 4 by 6, something like that, the smaller pads. And you got a 12 by 12, and you have gold foils. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, look at that, recipe cards. So pretty. I love it. And this paper pad is a little messed up because, you know, people can't get out of the way. And this one's got a little bit of bumps on the bottom, but that's okay. Once you start crafting with the papers, I don't even notice. So 2 of each design also. Sheets again. And I picked up the Wild Heart. I finally got the 12 by 12 Wild Heart. Look at that. Oh yeah, Tropical Bliss, baby. Oh, except for the animals, I don't know. Some shades. I like the animal prints. I don't like the animal, like the leopard itself. Toucans are okay, but yeah, pink and green. Very cute. Double again, these are 48. Paper pad. The last paper pad I got is the Warm and Cozy. Warm and Cozy. Whoops, sorry guys. Beautiful. Love, love, love for Thanksgiving. All Thanksgiving, if you don't do Thanksgiving, just fall. So pretty. And I am in love with those deer heads. Oh gosh. Wood, you and me. Sunflowers. It's so cute. Look at that. That leaf print on top of print, page print. So cute. Look at that. And these are also 2 of each design, so 48 in that paper pad. Very, very nice. And then I bought 1 kit. Halloween Town. I thought they were very cute, very playful. I don't know if you guys are seeing the whole thing. Can you guys see the whole thing? So this kit was almost as much as the paper pads. It's $5.99 for this kit. I only saw 1, so I grabbed 1. And then it comes with these stickers. Isn't that cute? These are so adorable. Look at the faces on here. Look at this guy. Look at the vampire's face. I'm a cutesy kind of Halloween kind of girl. This is my kind of deal. Look at this witch. Look at her face. It's so cute. And the colors are perfect. So that is it, guys, for my Tuesday morning. My husband and my son did purchase other things, but at Tuesday morning, but they claimed it. They're into their stuff. So thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.